Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 2nd. This is my analysis for the pound US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked out here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So, anyways, we did have a pretty decent push up on the pound dollar late yesterday throughout the Asian session. Never did break structure. And looking at other dollar pairs, especially the dollar index, I'm not really convinced that this move down is over. Now, today is non-farm payroll news, which is normally one of the biggest news events of the month. If non-farm payroll news causes it to go down and maybe it bounces from this 100% Fibonacci extension of the potential wave A projected off the top of the potential wave B, then it bounces at the news and it goes up and breaks structure. That's what's going to tell me this really is a wave C and that we really need to be going long potentially for the continuation of the daily time frame uptrend. Now, this break of structure, Fibonacci bounce and break of structure is the only thing that would turn me into a buyer. Otherwise, I would be looking for shorts right now because I do still see the possibility that the daily time frame pullback is not even close to being over, and that this potentially should go down to like the 38 or 50% of that whole move up on the daily time frame. So if it does do a spike reversal type thing at the news break structure, definitely turn into a buyer. If it doesn't do that, I would continue to look for shorts every single chance I got. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.